Hey everyone, if your smoke detector is still beeping after replacing the batteries, don't worry, I've got the fix for you. Let's dive in. So why is your smoke detector still chirping? Your smoke detector might be expired. Most smoke detectors last about 10 years. After that, they start beeping to signal it's time for a replacement. So it might not just be the battery, it could be the whole unit. Now let's check your smoke detector's expiration date. Simply remove it from the ceiling and flip it over. You should see a manufacture date on the back. If it's older than 8 or 10 years, it's time to replace the entire unit. Don't just swap the battery, because if it's expired, it won't help. If your smoke detector is over 8 or 10 years old, you need to get a new one. Just replace it. Simple as that. If your smoke detector is less than 8 years old, the issue could be something else. Let's keep troubleshooting. If you're using a battery-powered smoke detector, one chirp every minute means your battery is low or dead. Even if you've just changed the batteries, make sure they're inserted properly. Open the battery compartment, take out the old battery, and replace it with a fresh one. Make sure the battery is installed correctly. Positive and negative sides should line up. Wait about 60 seconds after you've replaced the battery. If you still hear the chirp, we'll move on to the next step. Now, if your smoke detector is hardwired, it might have a battery backup. It's there in case of a power outage, but it can still cause the chirping if it's not working properly. To fix this, turn off the power at the circuit breaker, then remove the smoke detector from the ceiling. You'll see a small connector with 3 wires. Unplug that. Next, press and hold the reset button for 30 seconds. This resets the unit and helps clear any errors. Another reason for that irritating chirp could be dust or debris inside the detector. It's easy for this to build up and cause issues, especially if you live in a dusty area. To clean it, use compressed air to blow out any dust inside the unit. You can even open up the housing with a screwdriver for a deeper clean. Just be careful not to damage any parts while you're doing it. Sometimes the problem is as simple as poor battery contact. If the metal connectors are bent or not touching the battery properly, it can cause the chirping. Take a look at the battery terminals and make sure they're straight. Gently bend them back if needed so they make solid contact with the battery. This can help resolve the issue. After everything is cleaned and reset, reattach the smoke detector to the ceiling, turn the power back on, and wait for about 60 seconds. Alright, that's it for today's video. If any of these steps helped, let me know in the comments below.